Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. All right, so it's been a little bit since I've been on here, but I wanted to quickly get on, talk about the crypto market right now, Bitcoin and some of the AI coins and gaming coins that I'm sure a lot of you guys are involved in. So, we got this halving coming up, and I wanted to share my thoughts. All right, so this is my thoughts, this is my opinions. I'm not an expert. All right, but my thought is that I don't think really the halving is going to be some big event that causes this huge price shift in Bitcoin. If anything, the price shift I think will go down, because I just don't think it's going to take a little while to affect the numbers in terms of price in Bitcoin. That's my opinion. Okay, so I think if anything, there's going to be like this anticipation, the halving happens, and then nothing really happens with the price, and so people just start selling. Eventually, I think that what will happen potentially is, like in previous halvings, 6 to 18 months after the halving, we will see a price run up in Bitcoin. This might mean some choppy roads ahead, especially for the altcoins. I got, my altcoins that I had, and I didn't have a ton. I have some of the big ones, Solana, AVAX. I had Polkadot for a little bit, but I did sell it because I was actually up on that one. But I was also in a bunch of new AI and gaming coins, and those just got obliterated. And I did sell some for a loss because I think we may be chopping around to possibly going down, the crypto market going down. There's just a lot happening geopolitically, stock market, and you got to take those things into account when it comes to, cryptocurrency. Plus, I think NVIDIA, which has, been going crazy the last, several months, I think that's due for, pullback of sorts, and that's gonna, I think, impact the AI coins if some of you have been investing in those. So, I guess, what I'm really, looking at, what I'm really thinking is that we have a great opportunity right now to continue to accumulate. All right. I think, again, a lot of people are expecting this big thing to happen with Bitcoin to just start pumping. I'm hearing things like, oh, well, the institutions are here, but retail is not here yet. We don't even have retail back in Bitcoin yet. I don't know, the last cycle, I got into Bitcoin late, I got in 2020, and I remember back then it was always about, wait till the institutions come in. This is all retail, wait till the institutions come in. Well, with the spot ETF, we now have the institutions, and now everyone is saying, wait for retail to come in. I think Bitcoin is going to do just fine. All right. Take this opportunity. I'm going to take this opportunity to continue dollar cost average into Bitcoin. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into some of the altcoins. I do have a very small portfolio allocated to some of these AI coins and gaming coins, because I do think those will have a phenomenal run. And this is really like a gift that I think if a lot of us play this right, we can make a lot of money. Okay? Just know that if I had to guess, I think the real fireworks are going to happen in 2025. But I think things will get really excited in the fall. All right, so September, October, just like the last time we had that bull run, it's kind of playing out the same when you think about it. Maybe it's a little different, but we had this huge, blow off top. I think it was in April or June or something in 2021, and then it wasn't until October, November of that same year, that's when it ripped up to 69,000. And that was crazy. Gaming coins were going nuts, metaverse coins were going crazy, everyone was making a ton of money. I was you got the dog coins going like crazy. It was, that was so much fun. We will have that. I really do think that that will happen. Just, you know, I think there's been so much put on this halving, and anytime everyone knows about something or everyone is thinking the same thing, usually the opposite will happen. So if everyone's thinking that when the halving comes, we're going to go for a rip, just know that probably the opposite will be the case. So take advantage of it. Watch the pullbacks. I'm going to be buying when I see big pullbacks. Don't be surprised if Bitcoin drops down to 50K. Shit, don't be surprised if it goes to 30K. I don't think that's going to happen, but, you know, just know that it could do that. There's still leverage in the market. Like, that's why Bitcoin swings the way it does. It's not because it's just some volatile thing. I mean, it is volatile, but a lot of times it's because people are putting so much leverage into it, you know, and then when liquidations happen, it just throws the price all over the place because you get these domino effect liquidations. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just sharing my thoughts here. I've been so wrong about so many things when it comes to crypto. So, you know, I'm just kind of like, just what I'm studying, what I'm learning, this is kind of like me just sort of like repeating what I've been and sharing with the rest of you guys. Sorry if the camera's a little wobbly here, you know. Yeah, I gotta pull in. Stand it. So I just wanted to do a little car rant as I'm driving home, and hopefully I can get some more videos out. Until then, I will see you guys all on the next one. Leave a comment down below. I'll catch you guys all on the next one.